File ID Delph. Termination protocol has been initiated on the basis of observed pathological proclivities. Cross-temporal energy and mass conservation mandates compensatory measures to be consummated within 20 hours. Initiate.
Don't you like anything in here?
No. Remember you drugged me in here.
You know, some of it's nice.
Okay. What are we doing here, really?
This is so that we can explore a little bit and maybe we would see some things that spark our interest.
Explore?
Explore.
Mention hold each other. I'm sorry.
Look at you. We're in a nice place. Couldn't you have dressed up a little bit
Are
more?
you serious? This is a V-neck. Dear God, the only time I've come to you was when I got that Chinese chick with one leg pregnant. I don't know what I'm doing. I need some help. Please guide me.
There is no need to invoke an imaginary deity, Charlie. I have what you need.
How do you know my name?
For years, I've studied your future in the history books.
I mean, what are you? Are you some kind of bum? Are you lost? Do you need some money?
I have something for you, a new future, and a new future for
Crazy
me.
old man. Donuts again for breakfast, huh?
I want you to talk to me about this.
About what?
Look. They're piling up.
It's just bills. We've been getting bills since we were 16.
We've gotten so many of them and they've gotten so far behind. How did this happen?
I need some crime.
You're gonna drink at a time like this?
Are you kidding me? The bottle's empty. Where's the crime?
Well, I didn't drink it.
You didn't drink it. Only me and you live in this household.
Look at yourself. Charlie, you're falling apart. What's the matter with us? I miss the old us. I love you
First
so
the art gallery.
much.
Now this?
Charlie, are you listening to me? Charlie. Charlie. Charlie, why don't you listen to me anymore? Charlie. Charlie.
I got something I gotta tell you. I lost my job about a couple months ago.
How could you wait this long to tell me?
I thought I had everything under control.
Do you know what an inconsiderate bastard you are? Look at you. You're falling apart.
I'm falling apart. You took my crown and I'm falling apart?
Where have you been going in the middle
I've
of
been
the
going to
day?
Chris's house. Is that a problem? I'm a grown man.
Chris is a terrible influence. I don't think you're going to his house. I think you're sleeping with another woman.
With another woman? I wish I was, honestly. But I can't afford to sleep with another woman.
Well, I can't afford your bullshit anymore.
And what are you doing here?
I told you, Charlie, I've been studying you in the historical record for a long time.
I don't got time for this.
Phone.
What?
It's your brother. It's about your father.
Hello? What? When? Let me call you right back. Who the hell are you?
I am from your far distant future, and you are my forebearer. It is that relationship which allows us to exchange time, place, and person. But time is running out. Are you ready?
There is only one way to know for sure. If you're from the future, what the hell are you wearing?
I'm not from here. Security sequence Tum Twinters. Historical reference identity, foreign exchange student. Project Delph, ramifications confirmed. Substitute scenario insertion, director's privilege. Exchange protocol authorized and initiated.
Charlie, come back in that house. I really want to talk about this.
Yes, dear.